Ooh.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nurse B and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, by the way, today's video is going to be a review on Luvme hair. So let's jump right into it. So the wig came in this wonderful package. Look at the box. Oh, the packaging was everything. You get a little I did get the free curling iron because I did purchase 2 wigs. And also in the box you will also find some wig caps, and you will also have a little package that has, like, you know, combs, like little combs, and, you know, in their infamous, like, you know, Luvme hair clip. So this is the wig. It has an elastic band already attached to it. The wig actually has 3 combs, and there is an adjustable elastic band in the back, so for those of you who want to secure the wig, which is really useful. And there is the lace. I did not bleach the knots, but even though the knots were not bleached, but look at the quality of the lace. The quality is just amazing. Oh, I know. And just like that, you will see the transformation. Look at that. Look at that lace. Look at it. Look at the quality. So I actually got the gorgeous side part shortcut frontal lace wig, which is a ball. The wig is 150% density, 2.5 medium cap. It is a Swiss medium brown lace, and it's a 13x4, and like I stated earlier, it is 8 inches. Look at how full the hair looks, and this is after I had washed, colored, conditioned, and blow dried the hair, and I had no products in the hair after I did all that, and the hair just looks amazing. There is little to no shedding. Service was amazing. The turnaround rate was a week. And I think it took a week for it to arrive. And like I stated earlier, the customer service was amazing. If you had any questions, you can reach out. They they responded in a timely manner. And I think for me, I just love the fact that there was no shedding. And as you can see, I did try to pluck, you know, just a little. I didn't go crazy because I did not want no bald spots, but I also I actually plucked the side part because I wanted that natural look. I didn't want it to look wiggy, and I think by plucking the side part, I did just that. I was able to execute it well, and the wig came out looking realistic. So overall, I was very satisfied with the hair. Look at it. Just look at this hair. Look at the fullness. Look at the color. Look at how natural and seamless it looks. I was struggling with the baby hairs. I don't know. It was just a struggle, but it came out. Oh my goodness, I was so satisfied with the hair. It looked very pretty. The quality of hair for the price was A1, and I would recommend the hair, just the overall customer service, also the turnover rate and how long it took from the moment you purchased and from the moment you received the hair. Overall, this was amazing hair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.